Make sure it's actually recording. I guess, yeah, we can get ready to go. Make sure it's actually recording. I'll let, you want to do like a 3, 2, 1 and?
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Yep, sure.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're off.
All right, good luck.
I'm not sure this lady knew quite what to think sitting down next to me. She's probably wishing she had sat down somewhere else. What's up, everybody? This week we are at Secret Recipes Family Dining in Taylor, Michigan to take on their Big Secret Burger Challenge. I'd have just 30 minutes to complete the entire meal. If successful, I would get my meal for free and a winner's shirt. If not, I'd have to pay around 30 bucks. Oh, and if you saw my original Facebook post about this, I mentioned that I had a bit of a cold when I attempted it. Yeah, that was a bit of an understatement. I was feeling like complete dog shit. And I still kind of do, actually. The holiday season is great. Honestly, I probably shouldn't have been in public or a restaurant. Anyway, we'll see how that affects things. Alright, a little over 4 minutes in and the fries are gone. Now to contend with a giant burger. This girl still isn't sold, and there's Mike, one of the owners, taking a peek at my progress. He actually created this burger. It's a good burger. Yeah, it's a good burger. That was pleasant. Let's talk with our mouthful and sinus congestion. Alright, all of that aside, it was in fact a great burger. The patty itself is 2 pounds plus a bunch of cheese. You can get whatever toppings you want, so you have some freedom there. I went with lettuce, tomato, and mayo. I'm guessing the bun is around a pound-ish, and then a pound or so of fries on the side. Adding all of that up, you would think maybe this is a pretty easy challenge, but there's been over 150 failed attempts and only 12 winners. I think it was around this time I realized trying a food challenge when I was sick, not the smartest decision, but we're in it now. Alright, 10 minutes in and half the burger patty is down. So far I'm sitting pretty good, but for someone who does competitive eating and is inherently slow at it, this was not going to be a cakewalk by any means with only 30 minutes. In some of these sped up clips you can also probably see that I'm hacking up a lung, which I'm sure the entire restaurant appreciated. So there's Mike again. He actually spent quite a bit of time talking with us after the challenge, which was super cool. So he came up with the idea for the giant burger, but he admitted that he was not quite on board with an official challenge until his business partner convinced him to give it a try. Mike said that later that night he had his wife make up a couple winner's shirts out of their home, and the challenge has taken off from there, now with several being attempted each week.
All right. 13 minutes for a lot of bread.
Yeah, it's a lot of bread. If you look at photos of this challenge, you'll see that there's a little bit of a variance in the size of the bun from one to the next. Mike acknowledged this also, but the reason for that is because each bun is handmade by a local bakery right down the road. For a giant bun, it really did taste great. I'll take a locally owned high quality bun that's a little bit bigger any day over something that's smaller but lower quality.
Don't mind me.
I see the bun. I know what you're doing.
I can't help myself.
It's only the size of a small cake.
I'm not professional, but I would come to.
We might get to that point.
I'm definitely not against dunking bread if I need to. Wasn't there quite yet, thankfully. And listen, I know some people are turned off by it or against it, but we gotta use the tools that God gives us. Sometimes you just need to dunk bread. Ooh, did I just see a smile from her? I think we made a believer out of her after all. All right, we are in the home stretch now. The burgers and fries were awesome, but I might have underestimated this one a little bit, or I can just use being sick as an excuse. Either way, this was a great challenge. I want to give a huge thank you to Mike for letting me come in and staying to chat with us after. As always, a huge thanks to you guys for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.
All right, that was Secret Recipes Family Dining Burger Challenge. Thank you.
All right.
Whew.
Awesome.
That was incredible. That was a really good burger.
Thank you. Yes, a lot of people say that.
It was really
All
good.
right, let me get your shirt, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
That's awesome. I love it. All right, 1, 2, 3.
That's pretty good. Yo, yeah, definitely. Yeah.